Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to change Snapchat username without waiting for 1 year. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat application. Here we go. Now, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Here we go. Now, tap on username. Okay, tap on it. Now, you can see the option to change your username. Okay, just tap on continue over here. And you can see that Snapchat has already notified you that you cannot change your username again if you have changed it. Now, you have to wait for 1 year. If you change your username right now, it's not possible for you to change your username again after some time. So for this, what you can do is just go back. Scroll down in your settings. Then tap on I need help. Now, wait for it. Now, you'll come to this page. Then, as a search bar, just search for my username changed by mistake and tap on any of the options that appear which match with your problem. Okay, just tap on any one of it. Now, over here, you have to describe your problem to Snapchat and that you have changed your username by mistake. You have to describe that you want to change your username as soon as possible. Snapchat will respond to you within 48 to 24 hours, and then your problem will be solved. So that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.